Hello, friends. Welcome to Everyday English Learning. Today, I will tell you a powerful story. The story of the lion, the king of the jungle. The lion's life is full of lessons about courage, patience, failure, and leadership. Listen carefully. Repeat simple English sentences after me. By the end, you will not only know the lion's story, you will also feel motivated to live like a lion, strong, fearless, and confident. Practice together. I am strong. I am brave. I will not give up. Once upon a time, in the heart of the African jungle, a tiny lion cub was born. He was small. His eyes were closed. He could not hunt. He could not fight. The great king of the jungle began life as a weak, helpless baby. But his mother stayed close. She protected him. She gave him food. She kept him warm. Lesson: every king starts small. Every journey begins with one step. Practice together. I start small. I will grow step by step. The cub grew day by day. He played with his brothers and sisters. Through play, he learned to fight, to run, to roar. One day, he tried to roar. It was small and weak. The jungle laughed. That is not a roar. That is only a meow. But the cub did not stop. He practiced every day. Slowly, his roar became louder, stronger, deeper. Lesson: learning takes practice. No one is perfect in the beginning. Practice together. I learn every day. Practice makes me better. The young lion faced dangers. Hyenas attacked. Strong animals chased him. Sometimes he was hungry. Sometimes he failed to catch food. He felt afraid, but he remembered. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is moving forward, even when I am afraid. Lesson: fear is natural, but courage makes us grow. Practice together. I am brave. I move forward. The young lion grew stronger. He practiced hunting. He failed again and again, but every failure made him smarter. One day, he finally caught his first meal. That day, he felt the joy of success. Lesson: failure is not the end. Failure is the first step to success. Practice together. I will not give up. Failure helps me learn. Now, the cub was grown. He was a lion with a golden mane. His roar shook the jungle. He became a leader. A true lion does not only command, a true lion protects. He stands first when danger comes. He keeps his pride safe. Lesson: a leader does not say, "Go." A leader says, "Come with me." Practice together. I am a leader. I protect others. Years passed. The lion grew old. His mane turned gray. His roar became soft, but his courage never left him. Young cubs watched him with respect. They remembered his lessons. Be strong. Be patient. Be fearless. The lion's body grew weak, but his story lived forever. He inspired generations. Practice together. I will inspire people. My story will live forever. Friends, the lion story is also our story. We are born small, we learn, we struggle, we lead, and finally, we inspire. Be like the lion, strong in struggle, brave in fear, patient in failure. Say with me, I am strong, I am brave, I will not give up, I will inspire others. Thank you for watching Everyday English Learning. Subscribe, practice every day, and keep your roar alive.